Alright, so we just arrived. It's pretty good out there. Yeah. Pretty good. Flat sea. No swell, no wind out here. Hopefully get into a few fish for you guys. So we're just about to send it out. And all we've done is we've baited up, calibrating the drone. And all I do is I flip this into free spool and then send it out, and when I'm ready to drop it, crank it right up to strike mode to drag. And then one slacken, and we're good to go. Keep my thumb on it just to put a little bit of pressure so it doesn't backspool. And then when I'm ready, when I get the cue we're about 450 meters off, I'll give it a flick. Yep. Just like that. Now one flick and 450. Alright, gonna send Ross's one out now. Send my one out, down about 450 odd meters. I'm just waiting for it to dig in somewhere in the rocks. So it looks like it has now. When we're using drones for fishing, we always calibrate our drones so they know where home is. And that way we press the home button when it's out there, we don't have to fly it back and it just automatically flies back for us. So we can just cast our line, wind the slacken and don't worry until it gets home. When we're drone fishing we always use circle hooks because we're so far out that we can't strike at our fish with normal J hooks. So we use our circle hooks snelled on. And we use big baits depending on what we're targeting. Always bait wrap them up. Just go through it once. Rubber beads and tubing, stop tangling and rubbing off. And our 65-pound braid. Pull on a shark if we wanted to. something not biting, eh? Snapper. Beautiful condition. Snapper! Oh, look, it's a goodie. Oh yes, that's probably the 10-pounder we're after. Oh, holy. It's got some power in it. Another nice snapper. Oh yeah, that's another one, 5 kg there, eh? Wow. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Woo! What a take. Oh yeah. Good run. Oh. Woohoo. That's a nice one. That's good bites. Oh yeah. That's yeah. Coming in. Whatever this thing is, it's big. Oh. What is it? Eagle ray, is it? Snapper! Oh! Holy, it's a goodie. Oh yes, that's probably the 10-pounder we're after. That is a beauty of a snapper. Oh, thinking 15, eh? Check out that one, boys and girls. Whew, that's a beauty. Pull it in! Get it in! Holy, dude. Bro, I can feel those head shakes. Yeah, that's what it was like for us. That's exactly what it was like for us. But we couldn't get him out. He's snagged wherever he is, we just got to get him out.
There he is, you can see him. See it over there. Like it. There it is, and it's in.
We'll give him a nicky first, eh? Hold that not Oh, it's a bit of a snapper. Looks like a snapper. I'm going down. He ain't coming off. Snapper. That's snapper, bro. Oh, that's a good snapper, man. That's a good snapper. I got him. I got him. £10, bro? Probably be £10. 8 pound, mate. Yeah, it'd be £10, bro. Looks bigger than what it was. That's good though. There we go. Nice midwinter snapper here off the rocks. Beautiful condition.